Hey there, the Art-tastic sisters here. So for today's video, I'm gonna make a DIY tissue box using a plastic container. So this is our plastic container. It's actually a takeout container. So along with this container, you'll also be needing some string. Actually, this is optional. If you want, if you had, you can use it. And some metallic brush pens. You can use paint or sketch pens also instead of these. You'll also be needing some glue, some tissue paper, some pattern green paper. You can use normal green paper as well, and some black paper. So here I have taken a 7 into 7 centimeter square. You have to take 4 more of these. You'll also be needing paint. Now I've taken the container, and here I have drawn a box from where the tissue is gonna come out. So I'm going to open the lid and cut off this place. So now I'll cut off the hole, and let's keep this container aside. Take another plastic container. So here there's some water with some glue in it. So I've mixed some water with glue, and now I have some tissue in my hand, which I'm gonna dip inside this water and take it out. Put this tissue over here in this container. So I'm gonna cover up this whole container with this. So I've kept the tissue box aside and it's drying right now. And I've taken this black paper and I've drawn a flower over here. So now I'm going to take a pink metallic brush pen. So let's just zoom in over here. And I'm going to fill it like this. Now I've taken a piece of string, and now I have some glue over here, and I'm gonna put the string inside this glue. So let the string take in all the glue, and I'm gonna take the string out, and then I'm gonna stick the string around this petal. So I've stuck it, and now I'm gonna do the same with all the other petals. Like I said before, the string is totally optional. Instead of it, you can use a white marker or a white sketch pen or a silver pen or anything like that. The reason why I use string is to give it a 3D effect. So now I've stuck the string, and there's a border line over here, as you can see. So I'm gonna cut through this line. Okay, so here's the flower. I'm gonna keep this aside. And now I have the box with us. I've not closed it yet. So I'm gonna take a scale and take a black pen and draw a line like this. So I'm gonna darken this line and make it more thick. So now I have done the black lines over here. And I'm gonna keep this aside, and I'm gonna take 2 green paper pieces. Now this is 5 into 6 centimeter, and this is 5 into 8 centimeter. In both of these paper, I'm gonna be drawing a leaf. I've drawn a leaf over here, and I'm gonna cut this out. So now I have this leaf. I'm gonna take a scissor and cut like this. And now I'm gonna take a piece of tape it over here. So it's double-sided. And I'm gonna take this leaf and just twist it a little bit like this and stick it. Now I'm gonna cut off the edges, which are coming out. So I have a 3D like leaf like this. And now I have the tissue box. I'm gonna take one side of it, the longer side, one of the longer sides, and stick this flower on the center. I'm gonna take this leaf and stick it over here, just under the flower, like this. I'm gonna take the second leaf and stick it over here like this. I'm gonna take the third big leaf and stick it like this over here. So I'm gonna do the same with this side as well. So I have stuck these flowers and I have done it in both the sides, and in this side I have stuck one flower in both of these sides. And now I'm going to take an actual tissue box, this is an empty one, and I'm going to cut it like this. So here we'll have this plastic thing. So I'm going to tear this off. Okay, now we have this. I'm going to keep our tissue box inverted and take this and tape it onto this tissue box over here. So I've stuck it, and now I have some tissues which I'm gonna put inside this box, and I'm gonna close the box. So this is the final tissue box. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such contents. If you have any suggestions or doubts, drop them in the comments. There are a few videos on the screen right now which you may like. One of them includes another tissue box which we made using an ice cream box. Go check it out. That's it for today. See you next Saturday. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay creative.